Hello student, today I will discuss about some question from the Olympiad 2020. So first one, find the correct mirror image of the given combination of letter and number if the mirror is placed vertically to the right. So if you place mirror vertically to the right, then you see the answer is D, because all letters are in show in opposite faces. So D is the answer. Next, arrange the given word as they occur in a dictionary. So according to the alphabetical order, you can arrange them. So 2B is the answer. One sacrifice come, then three safety come, S A C, then S A F come. That means after C you get F, then S A P come, and then S A S C come, and then SCA come, then SCR come. In this way you can get. So B is the answer. Next one, which of the following Venn diagram best represent the relationship among English, Hindi and Telugu? So number three D is the answer, because all subjects are different, all are different language, they are shown differently by circle, by three circle, different circle. Now number 4, if each of the following numbers all digits are written in reverse order, then which of the following will be the greatest? So number 4 C is the answer. (408). If you write in reverse order, then you get 804. So 804 is the answer. How many cubes are there in the given figure? Number 5. Number 5 C is the answer. 25 figures are there. So C is the answer. Next, select the odd one out. Number 6. C is the answer. Why C is the answer? Tell me. Because in the square there is a square, in a triangle there is a triangle, but in the circle there is a circle must be come out, but it is not given in that figure. So C is the answer. C is odd one out. C is the odd. Now select number 8. Select the figure from the option which one is not exactly embedded in the figure. So which one not exactly embedded? So number 8 C is the answer. C is not exactly embedded, because C, this figure is not embedded. Now, which of the question number 9, which of the following words cannot be formed from the letter of the given word? So answer is 9. D is the answer. D is not formed from the given word. So 10, find the missing number if same rule is followed at all the three figures. So 10 number answer is A. How it is coming? Seven plus 3 10, 8 plus 3 11, 12 plus 5 17, 13 plus 5 18, then 11 plus 6 17, 19 plus 6. In this way it is coming. In a class of 35 students, Rishi's rank is 18th from the top and Manish 15th rank below Rishi. What is the rank of Manish from the bottom? So 11D is the answer. 10th is. In 13, find the missing number. So what is the missing number? You subtract first 3, then 5, then 7, then 9. In this way you subtract 11. In this way 13. B is the answer. Find the number of square in the given figure. So 15, 15A is the answer. Total number of square is 15A. 10. Total number of square is 10. A bag contains 18 red balls and 12 white balls. What fraction of the ball is white? So first find out the total balls. 18 plus 12. So it is come 30. So the fraction of white ball is 12 by 30. So what is the answer? 17B. 17B is the answer. Find the perimeter of the given figure. So add all the sides one by one and you can get the answer. The last side is value is 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 4 14, 14 to 17, 17 1 18. Add all the figure one by one. The value of 5,063,885 plus 2,003,049. Write in figure by putting commas according to internal system and add them. So answer coming 19. 19 answer is C. C answer. Select the correct option. So you can easily find out 20 according to Roman number. 20C is the answer. Sorry student, 20C is the answer. 20C is the answer. C 1960 is the right. M is 1000. C mean 100. M mean 1000. ML mean you can easily find out this one. You know the formula. I don't tell you anything. Now how many of the following letters do not have any line of symmetry? So 11, 21, 21B. 3 figure having no line of symmetry. Which are the figures? C, D and E. C, D or and L, sorry. C, D and L. Now math number 22. What must be added to greatest 5-digit even number to get 1 million? So what must be added to greatest 5-digit number? Greatest 5-digit number is 99,999 and 1 million. First change into Indian system and then subtract it. So you can get the answer 22B. How many common multiple of 18 and 24 are there that lie between 1 to 100? So first find out the common multiple between 18 and 24 and then you see that 1 is the answer. C is the answer. 1, only 1 multiple. Now math number 25, there are dash pair of parallel lines and dash pair of perpendicular lines respectively in the given figure. So how many pair of parallel lines, how many pair of perpendicular lines? You can find out. 25C. One pair of parallel lines and 2 pair of perpendicular lines. Math number 28, find the fraction of number of rabbits to the number of tiger. So answer is D. D is the answer. #29. Find the greatest 6-digit number formed by using the digit 524106. Using the each digit at least only once. Estimate your answer to the nearest 100. So the answer is coming. First find out the number. Number is I think 645,210. Now estimate your answer to nearest 100. So nearest 100 you can easily find out. So 29 B is the answer. If P divided by Q equal to 9, Q into R equal to 135, then R plus R equal to 45, then find the value of P into Q minus R. So R plus R means 3R equal to 45, R equal to 45 by 3 equal to 15. So you can easily put the R in the second equation, Q into R equal to 135, then Q equal to 135 by R, then 135 by 15, then you get a value 9. So now put put 9 in the first equation. So P divided by 9 equal to 9. So PQ equal to 9 into 9. You can easily find out the answer. So 30 answer is A. P into Q into R. Now put the value all and you can get the answer in this equation. Which the following option is arranged in a descending order? So 31 B. B is the answer. All number arranged in Indian system. 36. The population of city X equal to something and that of the city Y equal to that. Which of the following cities has a large number of population by how much? Do subtraction and you can get the answer. 36A. 36A is the answer. In now math number 37, in a birthday party there are 210 guests. Out of these 3 by 7 were males. How many females are there? So 210 into 3 by 7. Then 33 and 90. 90 is the number of males. Then females equal to 200 minus 90. 210 minus 90. So what is the answer come? D. 120. 37. How many angles are less than 90 inside this figure? So 35B. B is the answer. 3 angles less than 90. They are all acute. Which of the following figures do not have any line of symmetry? In 34. 34B. B is the answer. Do not have any line of symmetry. You have to find out this one. In 41, the temperature of three objects PQR is respectively 35, 42 and 21. Which of the following object is coldest? So 41. 41B is the answer. R. R is the coldest. You can easily see that R is the coldest. 21 this one. So this is very easy math. Now next math is 42. Mr. Bharma wants to buy a flat for rupees this one, and if he has this one, then how much money did he need to buy the flat? So subtract the value and you can get the answer. This is subtraction. 42. C is the answer. Karan walks around a square park whose side is 50 meters. One day he walks around the park 6 times. How many distance did he walk on that day? So first find out the perimeter. 4 into side. 4 into 50 mean 200. Then 200 divided by 200 multiplied by 6. So answer is 43 D. Amit bought 15 kg 200 gram onion, 10 kg 50 gram potato and 25 kg 80 gram tomato. Find the total weight, add it and you can get the answer 44A. Very easy math. Next, a turnover a certain company is 9,885,241. The amount of turnover can be written in Indian system. So Indian system you can find out 45B is the answer. Put the comma at the proper way and you can change it Indian internal system into Indian system easily. (46) Study the given figure and select the correct option. The shaded fraction of both figures are same. 46. Which one is correct? 46B is the correct answer. Why? The unshaded fraction of number 1 is less than the unshaded fraction of number 2. So find out the unshaded fraction and compare them. You can get the answer. So thank you, student.